Ay, ay, ay. And also, I have a new song coming out on March 13. It's called E Abab. Babae backwards, pero babae forward tayo lahat. Okay. Ay, ano to? Bakit ang daming ano? Alat. What? Saan galing to? Yes po, nagva-vlog po ako. Okay, let's jump right into it. Okay, first gift. Pink little... Hindi siya little, no? Wait nga, i-film ko muna to ng ano, naka-full. Teka lang guys ha, wait lang kayo dyan. Wala pa siyang shot na siya lang eh. O, diba? Winner. Okay na yun, bulag na yun. I don't have colds, talagang ano lang, kasi nga may flowers sa baba. So, I feel like yun yung culprit. But I'm totally fine, like, wala naman akong colds. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Let's start with the first gift. Alam niyo yung mga fans talaga, like, ngayon medyo yung expectations ko talagang wala akong expectations kasi it's either like super generous, super creative, or super funny ng mga gifts. But kahit ano pa man yan, I'm just like really, really, really happy and I feel support and so. Sana may name sa loob to. Kasi usually, sana mix up namin sila eh. Okay, we have a box. I think this is the net, and there's a letter inside. You make the world more beautiful, sabi niya. And this is from V. Si V agad ang unang nakakuha. Ang una nating nakuha from V. Si V ay isa sa mga pinakamasipag na showgoers at lagi siyang nagvi-video. At kapag nag-video siya, after the show, nagsisend niya ng Google Drive link sa akin. So we're gonna read this. Basahin ba natin? Or parang, kasi yung iba sa inyo, kasi nag-open up sa akin sa mga letters, so hindi ko muna siya babasahin. What I like to do is to read it after the live or after I film. Okay, so I think this is a shirt or a dress from Carino. I like the colors already. I think it's a dress. It's actually a dress. Wow. Ooh, I like this. Ganda. Parang siyang, wait, let me give you a quick fit check kung paano siya. It's a dress. I like it. It's so my vibe. Okay. And then there's another Vox talaga. There's another box from V. Is this Tagalog? Charis. Ooh. Amica Studios. I think this is a bag. Amica Studios. Ooh, that's pretty. I like, paano siya buksan though? Okay. I think I have a similar one like this also. Bigay din ng fans. So, ayan, meron din siyang chain for shoulder bag. Ayan. So, there's a dress and a bag that goes well with it. Thank you, V. It's not the dress, it's me. Charot. Thank you. I like it a lot. Let's put the bag sa ano. So yeah. Okay, thank you, Via. Next is this one. Colin, I miss you. I really love the paper bag. Parang paper bag pa lang okay na ako sa kanya. This one is from Ira Mariel. Ira Mariel. At Ira X Mariel 19 on her socials. Oh my god! Wait, what? Here's to capturing little moments on this little camera with retro vibes. Wait! It's a camera! I've seen this sa mga mga Gen Zs. sana matutunan ko kung paano siya gawin, no? Paano siya gamitin. Ito siya. It's a Kodak camera. And this is a... What is this? Oh, it's just a chain. Pangalan nito, a keychain. I think so. And then meron ding, she gave me memory card that goes with the camera. Should we try it? And should we give it a go? I kind of want to try it. Are you not Gen Z ba, Marina? Yes, I'm not Gen Z. I just look like one, but I'm not Gen Z. I'm definitely a tita millennial now. No, I feel like I'm a very young millennial. How do you use this? Ooh, it's like a mini digital camera. Ayan siya. Diba? Paano to gamitin? So lalagyan ko siya ng SD card. Tama ba? Kaso wala akong gunting dito. Ayan, okay. Let's try. Happy Women's Day, everybody. How much transitioning cost? Depends, baby girl. So, I'm gonna put the SD card here as it suggests. Here. Okay. And then I'm gonna turn it on. Or do I have to charge it first? Oh, it turned on! Look. Select mode. We're gonna select photo. I believe. Ayan. Oh my god, it's working. Guys, look. Okay, let's try one. Isa pa. Let's try another. Can I see it? Paano ko siya makikita? Isa pa. Wala ko sa frame. Let's try it again. Ito siya, guys. It's so cute. Pwede siya pang ano, no? Mga... Kasi pa na ito babalik. See, TikTok nga. Nahihirapan na ako. Ito pa kaya. Diyos ko. Paano ko babalik? Nawala. Oh. Anyways, I'm gonna figure this out later. Ayan. Okay. Oh, you can also take videos here. Wow. That's really cute. I like this one. And then I suppose this parang keychain lang siya, diba? So definitely this is really, really cool. I love this. Let's take another one. May flash din talaga siya. I love it. Her. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, Ira. This is really, really cool. I love it. I'm gonna put this sa bag ko. That is really camp. Sobrang bilis ka ba ma-fascinate sa mga bagay-bagay? Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Thank you also for the letter. Okay lang ba na hindi ako nakatingin masyado dito? Kasi sabi kasi ng social media manager ko, kailangan ko daw mag-content ng mag-content. Diba? Tamad-tamad ko mag-content. So, ayun. Okay, next gift. Probably this one. Another little gift. Guys, sabihin nyo keychain talaga yun. Keychain nga yun. Alam ko. Oh, this one is a Walang Kaba CD. Kaya galing to? Oh, I forgot. Name, please. Name. Please give a name. Oh. Whoever gave this, I forgot the name. I'm really bad at names as in. So always make sure that lagay niyo yung name niyo. But this one was given to me by a fan during the meet and greet, and sabi niya sa akin, it's a working CD. It's actually a working CD. Pero wala pa siyang, like sabi ko sa kanya, so nagpa-burn ka pa? Hindi pa siya nagpapa-burn ng ng song. Wala pang song daw to. So sabi ko, so ako pa magpapa-burn. Sabi ko, tapos tinanong ko yung mga yung mga nakapila sa meeting. Sabi ko, magbigay na, di ba ganun yun kapag ka high school, di ba? When I was in high school, mag-aambag-ambagan kami para magpa-burn ng CD. Tapos, tigda 2 songs kami. Di ba? Magpapa-burn kami, tapos tigda 2 songs kami. Tapos magkakano ba kami? Kasi parang 50 pesos ata yung burn. So parang tigpa 5 pesos kami for 10 songs or for 20 songs, I don't know. Basta ganun yun eh. Tapos ako ang pinipili ko lagi High School Musical, ganyan. Kasi gusto kong aralin yung mga kanta. High School Musical, ganyan. Or, ano yung mga pinapaburn ko before? Mga yan, Constantino, ganyan. So ngayon, meron akong CD. I love it. Diba? Oh guys, so, drop na sa comment section kung anong gusto nyong iambag na song. Tigda 2 lang per person, okay? Kitchen na down, dapat, hindi dapat lalampas ng 5 minutes yung song kasi limited lang, mawawalan ng kanta yung ibang tao kapag sobrang haba nung ipapaburn nyo, 'di ba? Kasi kunyari Kitchen na Dal medley yung pinaburn nyo, hindi na aabot yung pang 13 na song, 'di ba? Alam ko na yung paburn na lang ang papaburn na lang natin is Walang Kaba and Above out on March 13. That's my new song. Okay, I like this. Magpapaburn tayo soon. Kunin ko yung mga song request nyo. Paburn ng porke. Paburn daw ng porke. Porke contigo yo. Ano yun? Something. Walang Kaba, 5-second cut. Colin, I miss you. Okay, next is this one. This is from Krissa. Thank you so much, Krissa. Meron pa siyang icon and doll pins. I like it. I think it's also a dress. It's a top. Pala. It's cute. I like it. I miss you in Vegas as well. I miss Vegas so much. Krissa, thank you for this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alam niyo na talaga yung style ko, no? Next one. This one is from... Ooh! It's a cute card. You are my sunshine. This is from Erica at Marina Ave Marina. Sabi niya, hi po ulit. Hindi po talaga ganyan. Tatigan mo, kasi ang ganda ng penmanship niya, di ba? Sabi niya, hi po ulit. Hindi po talaga ganyan kaganda ang handwriting ko. Kaya friend ko po talaga ang nagsulat nito. Nandamay ka pa. Ayan. Ano kaya nararamdaman ng friend niya kapag habang sinusulat ko, no? Parang sabi siguro niya, arte naman itong kaibigan ko na to. I love you, I love you. Ba't sabi mo daw dito, mataas daw yung grades mo, tapos sabi nung, taas grades, lagi yung hindi nagre-review. Huy! Charis! Thank you, Erica. May kapag gagawa ng letter. Diba? Laro. Laro siya. Pinasulat niya sa kaibigan niya. As yung kaibigan niya, walang kamalay-malay, no? Siguro inisip siguro nung kaibigan niya, may jowa na ba to? Bakit puro I love you, I love you? Tapos pinagkalat na pala sa barangay nila or pinagkalat na sa kaya sinabi sa nanay niya, Tita, si Erica po, lumalablay po. I love you, sa akin pinasulat yung letter. Tapos nakita ng nanay niya. Yun, grounded siya. Charis. Bukayo siya sa nanay niya. Charis. Okay, so let's open the gift. I think this is also a top. Oh, it's cute! I like it! Thank you so much. Alam mo, sobrang dami ng gift sa akin ng mga damit. Like, feeling ko alam na alam niyo na kung ano yung style ko. So, I really, really like this one. Thank you so much. Thank you, Erica. At sana magbati na kayo ng mama mo. Kahit nag-grounded ka niya for writing this letter for me because of your friend. Oo. Okay, next one. Ay, ang bigat naman nito. This one, siguro kung Christmas pa to. Naku, kung Dubai chocolate to, naku, wala. Ano na to? Panis na to. Kung Christmas pa to. Charot. I like it. I love na we're reusing. We are reusing pangalan nito. Ay, ang dami namang letters nito. From Bailey, from ay, taray. Pasabay. Taray. May pasabay. Kung may pasabay, may pasabay gift. Ganon. From Bailey, from Calls, and from Jatel. Feeling ko nag-ambagan sila for this gift. So, thank you so much. It's either that or yung iba sa kanila hindi makakapunta. Whole family, buong pamilya, yung nanay, yung tatay, at saka yung anak. Diba? Marina Summers bringing families together. Charot. Ito from Bailey. She believed she could sushi. She believed she could, so she did. I think she Charis. This is from Bailey. Sweet, sweet, sweet letter from Bailey. Thank you so much. You're so amazing, sabi niya. Australian ba to? You're so amazing. You're so amazing. Charis. Di ba buong family first nakalagay dito. This one naman is from Calls. Wow. Nagsulat siya ng poem. Poem, GPT mo lang to eh. O, kita mo? Sa GPT lang sabi, you may revise this according to your own words. Sabi. Charot lang. GPT mo lang yun, haba-haba pa. Eme. Charis. Kimi lang. Oh, ito. Oh, di ba? Nagsasayang ng ano. Sinulat na in-scan pa. Okay. Thank you, Jatel May. Sulat niya ba to o ano to? Printed. Ah, wait. Yung bigay ni Coles. Guys, ito yung lyrics dun sa kanta na pinaburn natin. Ito yung lyrics dun sa kanta na pinaburn ko. Sabi niya, ano, porque contigo yo escogí, eras tú te enamorí. Sabi niya, nak, porque? Porque? Porque siya. Porque yung song choice niya. Kayo naman, hindi nyo alam. Hindi marunong eh. Ganun yun. Di ba? Susunod tingnan mo, songbook na talaga ibibigay sa akin ng mga tao. Feeling ko next time magpapaburn talaga sila ng CD talaga. Nagka-idea na naman tong mga hayop na to. Ako, nagka-idea na naman sila. Ano mo? Lahat ng binibigay nila sa akin nangagaling sa bunganga ko. Tingnan mo. Next time pa magkakashow ako, magpapaburn ng CD yung mga magbibigay ng lyrics. Diba? Sa akin din galing eh. Karma ko din eh. No? Eh kung sa akin galing ano mga Fendi, ganyan. Birkin, ganon. Prada, Balenciaga, mga ganyan. YSL, yon. Gift ideas, guys. Hindi yung burn ng CD, thesis paper. Diyos mio. Okay. Pumunta na tayo sa gift mismo. Medyo mabigat siya, no? Ay! Nakabalot lang pala. Cover lang pala siya. Kasi nga gift nilang tatlo. So, ay, ang bigat. Ano ba to? Hindi to pwede sa bagong Barbie-an. Ano ito? Ay, oh my God! Guys! Puro naka-paper bag. Puro paper bag. Ano to? Bakit puro paper bag? Bakit kayo nagre-regalo ng paper bag sa akin? Ano to? Bakit puro paper bags? No, like legit. Paper bags talaga. Ano ba naman to? Tignan nyo! Paper bags! Guys! Alin ko to! Alin ko to! Napakadami! I-unbox ko lahat to? Ganun ba yon? Tatlong design pa yung gusto nila. Ha? Wait lang. Tawagin nyo nga yung tatlo yan. Pag-uuntog-untogin ko kayong tatlo. Titigas ng ulo ninyo. Tingnan mo. Meron ding green na plaid. Tapos, meron din parang very minimalist bohemian. Anin ko to? Tingnan mo. Isang buong pack. Anin ko to? Guys, pamay na lang po sa yellow basket. Itutuloy ko pa ba to? Alam nyo, babalutin ko lahat ng gift ko sa inyo gamit to. Ibabalik ko na lang sa inyo. Thank you, Bailey, Coles, and Jatel. Wow! Wow! Ako naman daw magre-regalo sa kanila. Gagastusan ko pa kayo? Ano ba yun? Bakit naman ako niregaluhan ng paper bag? Hiningal ako. Whew. Okay, next. Next item. Next one. Pang December na yon, pang Christmas na. Next one, this is from... I think this is from Erica. Meron siyang binigay na vinyl ng Via by Doja Cat. And you know me, I love collecting vinyl records. I'm such an album girly. And this is one of my favorite works from... Di ba? Magkawangis kami na. Oh. Actually, kung nakita niyo yung cover art ng Abab, ito talaga yung mukha doon. Tignan mo, di ba? Pag pinagtabi ko dito yung Abab. Si Doja Cat talaga yun, guys. Magkawangis kami, oh. Di ba? Siya talaga yun. Thank you, Erica. Meron din kasamang mga hikaw. Ay, magsasara daw yung M&S soon, di ba? Sa Philippines. Doja Cat nga. Earrings. Ito po, ang mga earrings. Thank you so much, Erica. Hi, Morphin. I miss you, sister. Next. This gift is from Milky. It's from Milky. Yan. Siguro naman normal na tong gift na to, no? Ang ganda ng paper. I love it. Nung envelope. Yan. Wow. Back to back pa siya. Ang gusto niya. Ay, nak, -10 ka sa akin kasi yung indent mo, ang tawag dito, yung format mo na masyadong malapit sa taas. So, -10 ka sa akin. Kasi hindi rin pantay yung spacing dito sa gilid. Oo. So, kayo naman gumagawa ng grades nyo. Ako lang, tiga-compute lang ako, So, ayun. Dito din, tingnan mo, di ba? Masyadong mataas yung leading net. Oo, medyo okay naman sa akin, nak, yung okay naman sa akin, nak, yung mo. Pero, yung format, medyo alanganin tayo doon. Hindi tatanggapin sa National Library to. Masyadong narrow yung niya. Hindi naka-justify, di ba? Hindi naka-justify siya, pero hindi pantay. May kasi nga ipapabookbind ba to? Ganun ba yon? Oo. Para kay Miss Wonderful, sabi niya. Thank you so much. Oo, malagi siyang mahaba na letters. Okay, ang gift niya I think this is a dress. It is a dress. Oh, it's so cute! Diba? Nakaka-dalagang Pilipina. Nakaka-Salcedo girly na ba? Salcedo girly na ba yan? Sunday Market. Charot. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Milky. Pakiayos na lang next time yung yung spacing ng letters para tanggapin namin. Charot. Guys, I'm really, really excited for this one. Ihuli natin siya, grand finale. Yan, ihuli natin yan. Kita natin. This one I'm really, really excited about kasi mga blind box siya. Di ba nagulo ulit yung camera ko? Kasi ang gulo-gulo ko eh. Okay, next. Next gift is from... Sana may ano... This is from Pauline. Thank you so much, Pauline. I think this is a candle. I think this is a candle. And you guys know how I love candles. Simula soy candle from Simoy ng Hiraya. Let's smell. It's so fresh. I like it. I love it. Ooh, very very tropical, very citrusy, also very flowery. I really, really like it. Thank you so much, Pauline. Ang bango nito, as in, I will definitely light this up later. Pagka after mag-shower or something, as mag-skincare, ganyan. Thank you so much, Pauline. Okay, next one. This one is from... Ay, walang pangalan. Sana meron sa loob. Oh, sayang walang pangalan. Hopefully meron. This next gift is a bag. Very pretty, very kikay. I like it. Ah, diba? Very kikay. And there's still something inside. Oh, ito na. A letter from Jean Abreve. From Jean Abreve. And I think this is an artwork. Ooh! Oh my god, that's so pretty! Wow! Parang siyang 3D, 3D na thingy. Na frame. You know. And it's my, coming out photo shoot with BJ Pascual. I like it. Ang ganda. Thank you, guys. Thank you, John. John or Jean? Thank you, John. I like it. It's so cutesy. It's so kikay. I love it. Thank you. And I love this bag as well. Do you see me wearing it? Yes, definitely. Best gift pa rin yung paper bags. Okay, next one. This is from Ian. Thank you, Ian. May flower siya na made out of parang plastic siya. So, hindi ako mag-allergy. Oh, yes, I remember this. So, tinutuon nyo na talaga yung thesis, yung research. Kasi research talaga siya, guys. Ang title, Walang Kaba. Examining the influence of Marina Summers on the self-confidence and identity formation of Ian Villanueva. Sinisi nyo pa ako sa mga desisyon nyo sa buhay. Ha? Thesis offended kayo sa akin. Thesis offended. A research proposal presented to the iconic Filipino doll, Marina Summers. Thesis offended kayo sa aking lahat. Oh, may abstract. Diba? I love it. Wait, it's actually really cute. It's actually really cute. I like it. This research study documents a personal journey of admiration and inspiration and transformation influenced by the artistry of Marina Marina Summers. What began as a simple moment of curiosity eventually evolved into a deep source of motivation that shaped Ian's confidence and sense of identity. I love this. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna read this after this live. The background of study, yes. Yes. So ano to, thesis 1 kasi chapters 1 to 3 lang ba to? Tama ba? Kompleto. Kompleto. Meron din siyang data gathering. May data gathering din siya. So, introduction. So, parang dinidiscuss niya dito kung kailan siya nag-start manood ng Drag Race, kung paano siya naapektuhan ng Drag Race, ganyan. Chapter 2, Review of Literature and Studies. Ay, RLS na pala ngayon. Di ba RRL yon? Grabe naman sa RRL! Charis! As I followed her journey, my admiration grew to see her life to feel... Ay, nak, medyo hindi pasok sa RRL yung... Dapat ito mga, next time. Ang RRL, mga existing na mga articles, books, ganyan, written work, ganyan, from experts or publications, no? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, meron naman siyang RRL pero galing sa media, like mga sinabi kong words sa pangalan nito sa TV, ganyan, mga quotes ko. Pero kailangan merong Summers 2023, ganon. Or kung kailan ko siya sinabi na, next time ha, revise na lang, okay naman to. Tatanggapin ko pa din to. Methodology. This study uses a highly personal, auto-ethnographic approach to examine the influence of Marina Summers. So medyo qualitative research siya, guys. I think qualitative research siya kasi personal-based siya. Meron siyang content observation and experiential participation. So, siya? Qualitative research siya. Hindi siya nag-base sa quantity. Walang survey, kumbaga. Kung meron man, focus group discussion. Wow! Wow! Okay. Chapter 5, conclusion. Okay. I love it. Thank you, Ayan. Meron din siyang mga references, yung mga tweets niya. So cute! I love it. Okay, meron din siyang mga message sa akin. Sabi niya, send Gcash po. Ay, nanghingi ng Gcash. Charis. Pati yung prom look niya, ginaya niya yung Imelda look ko, diba? Ano pa ba? Ang ganda, ang cute. I like it. Nag-perform din siya, diba? Perform din siya. Andun daw siya, nanood siya nung yaya, nasa pinakalikod siya. Siya yung last na na letter. Charos. Na character. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ayan. Sasend ko na lang to. Ay, papa-plagiarize test muna natin to, nak, ha? Bago natin gradean, ha? Pero thank you so much. Babasahin ko to later as in I'm really, really, really intrigued. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next gift. Ay, mabigat din siya. I think this one is from Joby, no? Ay. For my eyes only daw. For my eyes only. So, hindi ko siya ipapakita sa inyo, guys. Ah! Ah! Oh, wow! Wait! I kinda wanna see it. Teka lang. Oh! It's so sweet! Wait lang! Kay Joby to, for sure. Joby. Kasi siya lang yung gumagawa ng mga ganitong tag. It is so cute. Sabi niya, look, it's like a bottle capsules. Like, Marina, whenever you need a reminder of how deeply you're loved, open one capsule. Each note holds a reason you shine so brightly, a moment you inspired someone, or a truth about the impact you make just by being... Sorry, tumawag yung mom ko. Hello? May audio pa ba? Hello? Hindi na ako mag-o-open. Okay lang yan. Wait lang. Okay pa ba? May audio pa ba? Okay, meron pa. Hindi ko na lang siya i-open muna. But thank you so much. I'm touched. I kind of want to read one. Kahit for my eyes only. I kind of want to read one right now. Okay lang ba 'yon? I kind of want to read one, as in like, I know it's for my eyes only, but I wanna read it. Pero hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo kung ano yung babasahin ko. Aww, thank you so much, Joby. This is really, really, really sweet. I really, really appreciate it. Aww, it's gonna make me cry. Oh, thank you. It's the hormones. Thank you so much, you guys. Whew, you guys are the best. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, next. Same gift. Ba yan? Nagpapaiyak. Parang tanga. I think, iba-iba. Wait, teka lang. Iba-iba siya. Merong, ito kasi for sight, diba? For sight. Meron siyang touch. Meron ding for hearing. Lahat ng senses. Merong touch. May sense of touch. Merong, oh my God. Kasi yung una, it's sight, diba? The next one is for hearing. The next one is touch. And then there's also smell. Meron ding taste. So ano tong isa? Anong sense yung wala? Baka common. Charis. Wait, basahin natin, may letter si Joby. Joby, walang explanation yung gift niya. But thank you so much, grabe. Alam nyo guys, si Joby, it's just like, grabe, sobrang effort niya talaga mag-gift. As in, like, diba? Kailangan ko pa ba ng jowa kung ganito yung mga fans ko? Kung ganito ang mga pagtrato sa akin ng aking mga supporters, diba? Parang, kailangan pa ba ng jowa? Feeling ko yung magjojowa sa akin has a lot, like a very, very big shoe to fill. Kasi grabe yung pagmamahal na binibigay sa akin ng fans ko, ng friends ko. So, ayun. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Ito munang walang sense of kineso. Sige, isa-isay natin lahat ng senses. Sense of smell muna. Ayan. I feel like this is candles for sure. Marina, may these scents wrap in calm after every victory and every long day. Light a candle and let the fragrance remind you that you bring warmth and beauty into any room that you enter just by being in it. Aww! Me, kapag ka na-reincarnate ako, gusto ko maging soy candle. Charit! Dear Dream naman. Caribbean Moon and Vanilla Bourbon. Parang pangtulog to. Let's see, pang kwarto ba siya? Ooh! Yes, indeed, pang kwarto siya. Ang cute, oh, meron siyang mga shells and everything. Hindi pa masusunog yung bahay ko dito kapag sinindihan ko to. Baka may biglang magliyab yan, ah. This one is Caribbean Moon. This one is very pineapple-y, very pang morning siya. Pang sunrise. So, pwede rin pang kwarto habang nagliligpit ng kama. I love this! Thank you so much, Joby. Grabe naman yan. Next one is for hearing naman. For hearing. Ito ay press play and let nostalgia sing to you. These tapes are a little nod to simpler times, a reminder that even with all your success, your story has always had rhythm, courage, and heart. May every song make you smile. Wait, what is this? I am really intrigued. Wait. I think it's a cassette player. It is a cassette player. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wait, how do I play this? How do I open? Wait. Oh, you have to connect it. Meron mga cassette tapes. There's cassette tapes. Like, there's anong album to? Thank You Next. Thank You Next. Like, there's cassette. All my songs are here as well. Walang kaba. Walang kaba. I'm a Filipina. Born to do drag. Ride for me. Divine. Pool Party. I Have Arrived. And E Abab coming out on March 13. And there's also my favorite one of all time, Adele. It's 35. Yes. Easy on me. I drink wine. 35. Yes. 35 ba? 35 na ba si Adele? Charis. There's also 30. Can we try playing it? I wanna try. Paano ko siya Hala! Wala yung cassette ng ng mga songs ko. Baka naka-play na. Ay, baka nandito na, no? Let's try.
Ako na to, nasang lupanap ako ng mundo. Tigil ako, dun sa likod. Tipo ng tirado siguradong mismo kung tumilan ito.
Wait! Oh my god, that is so cool!
Iinip ang siguradong hindi pitin ang kumalaban daw si cause you know a bad bitch and I'm pretty scandalous. Sumasabog lang kasi kita.
Yes!
Di mo talaga malilimutan.
What?
Pag ako tumira.
Mula ulo hanggang paa, walang mumo ititira. Walang kaba.
Walang kaba.
I am obsessed. Oh my god. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Paano ko siya bubuksan, no, pagpapalitan ko ng kaha? Oh, like this. Thank you so much, Joby. Grabe to. Ang lala. I am obsessed. I'm gonna put this sa living room para merong conversation starter. Sa living room to, sa mga music ko. Kasi I have a music area there. Thank you so much, Joby. Grabe, nauga ako doon. Ugang-uga ako. Uga, uisga. Lagay natin yung above soon. Okay, next. Taste naman. I think, I forgot yung taste. Touch muna. Touch. Ay, saan na ma-touch? Charis. For your hands to feel cared for, a few things to pamper the queen who pampers all of us with her presence and art. A soft towel for your precious hair, a beauty blender for every glam moment, and a top handmade with patience and love. May this remind you that you deserve comfort in every form. Oh, guys! Grabe! Hindi ko na kailangan ng jowa. May fans naman ako na ganito. Ako ay trato. Grabe kayo. Ay nako, grabe. Crazy. And thank God I filmed this kasi grabe. Hindi pwedeng hindi ma-film to. Grabe. Oh, mga beauty blenders. And mga sponges and mga tawag dito, mga ano tawag dyan? Kung ano man yan. Beauty blenders and everything. Thank you so much. Dito siya sa makeup area natin. Towels as well. Towels. Pang hair dry ata siya. Pang hair towel, yes. This is what I use actually. And I think ito yung top that was handmade. I think si Joby din ay naggumagawa rin siya ng mga crocheted na something na damit. Kasi I remember yung suot ko doon sa aking parang mini documentary about my transition. The green top that I was using for the interview, that was made by Joby, and it's been one of my favorites talaga. Ay, ang dami naman nito, nak! Ang dami! There's this one. Oh my God, she's so cute! Yan. It's a top. And then this one is also a top. Ooh, she's cute. Parang siyang halter din. I like it. And then, oh, it's like an entire like beach wear. So merong sarong. I think this is sarong. Panties. And a bra. I'm so gonna wear this. Thank you so much, Joby. You're so talented. Grabe. Thank you so much. I really love this entire thing. There's another one. There's a last one. So the last one is taste. I know you always tell sa IG live mo, you unbox gifts. The fans should prevent you from giving edible stuff. Cause sometimes you unbox gifts late and don't know if there's food that needs to be consumed right away. But I made sure naman that these sweet treats expiration are all next year. Wow, thank you! I know you're not really into sweet, but I hope seeing these goodies you feel a little nostalgic and remember bits of your childhood. If wala akong makitang chalk nut dito or bar nuts or ano pa ba? Yaki, ganon. Hindi ko tatanggapin tong gift na to. Charot. Oh my God. Or mga mga curly tops, flat tops, ganyan. Let's see. Ano mga to? Ay! I'm right. It's flat tops and pochi. Honestly, like, I like these two. Wait. Oh my God, I love this. It's one of my favorite like treats when I was a kid. Yung langka ube. I love it. Oh my God. Like, I could finish like these as in. Kakain ako, guys. I don't normally eat in front of people, pero I will definitely. Here. Mm. Happy dance. Happy dance. Wait lang, sinisipon ulit ako. Nakatapat kasi sa akin yung aircon eh. Huwag na lang i-spam. Wait na, tanggal natin sa live to na i-spam. Hindi ko mabasa yung mga comments eh. Ayan. Childhood snack I really miss. Guys, alam niyo yung alam niyo yung, what do you call it? Yung parang icing sa taas nung parang biscuit. Tapos meron siyang icing. Yung iba-ibang colors. I really, really miss that one. Okay, let's try pochi naman. Pochi. Kailangan kong uminom, di ba? Para mawala yung tamis. Ice gems, yes. Those are my favorite as well. Tagal ko nang hindi na ganito, guys. As in, naka-calorie deficit kasi ako ngayon for the show. For 2 months na. Naka-calorie deficit ako kasi I was preparing for my show. And since kakatapos ko lang mag-surgery, hindi pa ako makapag-gym and everything. So, hindi pa ako makapag-workout. So, I really have to be strict with my diet. But, Joby, you nailed this one as in. You really, really nailed this one. Alam mo, saving the best for last. Ang sarap ng pochi. Oh my God. Ngayon, ulit ako nag-sweets, guys. Pwede bang cheat day ko today? Okay, later na yung iba. Kasi, baka hindi ko matapos ng video na to. Joby, grabe. Thank you so much. Grabe kayo. Last one. Kasi sobrang tagal ko lang hindi natikman tong langka ube. Very nostalgic indeed. Okay, game. I'm so excited! I feel like I'm gonna cry. Ang sarap! Oh my God! Ito yung wala yung mga batang yun eh. Mga ganito, hindi nila na, ang gusto nila lang yung mga Dubai chocolate eh. Kami naman ito talaga. O kaya yaki or ano pa ba? Pintura. Alam mo yun, kulay-kulay kami ng bunganga, gano'n. Mga frosty. Ano pa ba? Chocolate, bar nuts, chewy toffee, chewy choco, mga ganyan. Yun ang mga ang Dubai chocolate, tabi. Chewy choco kami, tsaka chewy toffee. Sorry, pero Dubai chocolate or Ilocos empanada, I'm sorry, but I have to go with ice gems. Or mikmik, tama. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I could eat 10 more. But, kailangan ko siya itigil ngayon. Kasi, we have to finish unboxing. Okay. Again, thank you so much, Joby. Grabe. I really, 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 really love those gifts. As in, like, I feel so loved, guys. As in, this is what I love about unboxing gifts. I mean, I always say naman na you don't really have to give me gifts naman. You don't really have to send me stuff, or, you don't even have to come to every show. Kasi like the amount of the support that you've been giving me is ever since, like, very unending, very generous kayo sa support. Even without you guys knowing, it's not all about material things, but things like this parang just keeps reminding me of how lucky I am sa inyong lahat ng mga supporters ko. And not a lot of, people get to experience this. So I'm really, really honored, and I'm really, really, really blessed. So thank you so much. Okay, on to the next gift. Let's open this one. This one is from Angel. For my lady. Thank you so much. Meron daw tatlong items here. Okay, let's start. The first one is... Ooh, she looks cute. This one is... Oh, wow. I like it. It's so Salcedo market coded. I love it. It's so pretty. It's from Traje Linen. Thank you. Next is... Oh, I like this, bag. Ay, man. This one is... Ay, akala ko paper bag. Charis. Oh, that's cute. Para siya yung isang top that was given to me last time. This is from Anika naman, the brand. Ganda, I like it. Thank you so much. Alam niyo talaga yung style ko. Kaso hindi pa ako makapagsuot ng mga halter, ganyan. Kasi nga, kailangan ko pang naka-sports bra muna. So, until... I have 1 month more before ko masuot lahat yan. But, I will definitely have them all lined up once ma-clear na ako and I don't have to wear sports bra anymore. And then, there's also a bra, bikini from Black Bow. Black Bow, one of my favorites, as in... Ooh, that's cute! Wee! And then, panties. Cuties. Thank you so much. I'm actually a small, yes. Small, and I think this is medium. Mukhang kasya naman siya sa akin kasi strap naman eh. Thank you so much, Angel. I love it. So, yes. Next one. Okay, this one. Medyo marami rin siya. Or, ay hindi, iba-iba ata siya. This is from, madami pa pala guys. Kala ko konti na lang. I think this one pare-pares. Napaghalo-halo namin guys. I'm really, really sorry if... I'm really sorry if na-mix up namin yung mga gifts. Let's see. Mukhang to. Magkakaiba. Okay. This one muna. This one is from... this one is from Hannah. Hannah. Mine lahat yan. Even this one. This from me. Sige, separate natin to. This from Hannah. Wow, parang first time Ay, nag-life update siya. Sabi niya, since your drag break, ay, ang dami nangyari sa buhay niya, no? Nakahanap siyang bagong trabaho, nag-move out siya, living alone for the first time, got a condo, bought a full body mirror before a much needed microwave. O, diba, ang dami nangyari sa buhay niya habang naka-break ako. Mag-break kaya ulit ako para dumami ulit yung mga ganap mo sa buhay, Hana. Oh no, thank you so much. Sige, maya. Basahin natin to kasi baka umiyak ako ng live. Hannah, this is from Hannah. Ooh, ano to plato? Packets Work Corporation. Ooh, cutie. I like it. Thank you so much. Ganda nito. Pwede siyang lalagyan ng mga trinkets. Wala ko space. Saan pa ba ilagay ito? Dito na lang muna. Next one is this from Hannah pa din. It's like an artwork. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. Pwede siyang top, pwede siyang even bandana, di ba? Pwede na siyang bandana. Like, you see the vision? Miss E. Abab? Miss E. Abab, this is very E. Abab coded. The colors here